Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing Flutter Kicks in a prone position. When we do these, we're going to be lying on our belly, and our head can be relaxed on the floor. All we're going to do is we're going to squeeze and just try to bring one leg up as high as possible. Just flutter each side. Squeeze your glutes and get your low back, get your glutes, your low back nice and toasty. So for more posterior chain building exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.